How to refund Gcash payment in Foodpanda. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to refund Gcash payment in Foodpanda. Firstly, open the Foodpanda application on your mobile phone. Make sure to log in to your account on Foodpanda. Now confirm your current location where they deliver the order. Go to the food delivery option and choose any of your favorite restaurants. Tap on any restaurant you like and choose any of the dishes you want to order. Now, tap on the food you want and tap on Add to Cart. Go to View Your Cart and you will be able to see details. Tap on the Confirm Your Payment and Address option and wait a few seconds. Select the payment method you want to pay through. By confirming your location and address, you can add delivery instructions. Tap on Save and Continue and place your order. You will see your order details and amount on the screen. You can cancel your order by tapping on the Help button. Choose the option Can I cancel my order? And give the reason for canceling your order. Now, confirm that and it will cancel your order. If you want to refund your canceled order, you have to tap on the Help option again. It will ask you, How can we help? Search for refund on the given search bar. Now, tap on the option, I haven't received my refund. Type your order number or transaction number along with your payment method like Gcash. Now, start chatting with the support team and it will refund your canceled order. The support team will try to refund your order as soon as possible. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.